Let us now see the first phrase. Go quickly. சீக்கிரமா போங்க. சீக்கிரமா. And I made the I a little small for you to understand that there's a little inflected sound there. சீக்கிரமா. You shorten the sound there. It is not சீக்கிரமா. It's instead சீக்கிரமா. And imagine you telling to that man who is already running, you tell him, go quickly. சீக்கிரமா போங்க. சீக்கிரமா போங்க. சீக்கிரமா போங்க. Seekiram is fast. Seekirama, and that is quickly. It's an adverb there for go. Seekirama ponga. You can also say Seekiram ponga, go quick. But here the emphasis is on quickly. Seekirama ponga. Ponga is he's an elder man. So you want to say ponga. Seekirama ponga. Come quick. சீக்கிரம் வா. சீக்கிரம் வா. சீக்கிரம். Here I am not saying quickly, instead it's just quick. Come quick. சீக்கிரம் வா. Come quick. சீக்கிரம் வா. And in this case you have to just imagine the small boy running towards you and you want to tell him come quick. And since it's a young boy, a cute little boy, you don't have to say vaanga. You don't have to be formal like you speak to elders. Instead, it's just va. Seekiram va. Seekiram va. What to do now? இப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? இப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? What to do now? இப்போ is now. என்ன is what? செய்யணும். Have to do. And you have to focus on the way the language is ordered. It's a little different from English. Now what have to do? It's a literal word by word translation. இப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? Now what have to do? இப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? This one or that one. This one or that one. இதா இல்ல அதா. இதா இல்ல அதா. This ice cream or the ice cream. இதா இல்ல அதா. இதா is this one. இது is this one. But here it's a question. இதா இல்ல அதா. That one is that one. Is this one or is that one? And in Tamil, unlike in English, you don't have to say illa, that is or. In English, it's not possible to say this, that one. No, you have to use this one or that one. In Tamil, it's okay to say ida because there's already a question there. Ida this one, ada that one. Or you can also say ida illa ada. Ida ada. Ida illa ada. Both are fine. Have to go inside. உள்ள போகணும். உள்ள போகணும். போகணும். The A is a little small, so you could focus on how I pronounce it. உள்ள போகணும். Gano, that's the gun. It's a smaller sound there. உள்ள போகணும். Have to go in or inside. In or inside both can be ulla. Ulla. Pogano. Have to go. Ulla pogano. Here the meaning is you don't say I have to go, she has to go. It's just that have to go inside. That's it. It doesn't have the pronoun I, you, they. It's just ulla pogano. Have to go in. Ulla pogano. Ulla pogano. Speak quietly. மெல்லமா பேசுங்க. மெல்லமா பேசுங்க. Just imagine there are a few women there talking noisily and then you want to tell them மெல்லமா பேசுங்க. Speak quietly. மெல்லமா பேசுங்க. மெல்லமா meaning quietly. மெல்லம் is slow. Millama, quietly, that is the adjective. Now that's the adverb, and it's more quietly. It is not quiet. Speak quiet. No, it's speak quietly. Millama, பேசுங்க, speak. And because you're talking to older women there, and there are also many there, you say பேசுங்க. Even if there's just one person who is elder to you, a lady sitting there, you naturally try to be respectful and you say பேசுங்க. So it's both for a group, plural, and also for elderly people or anybody who wants to you to give who you want to give respect, even if they are younger to you. In a formal context, it's always இங்க பேசுங்க மெல்லமா பேசுங்க. Don't make noise. சத்தம் போடாதீங்க. சத்தம் போடாதீங்க. சத்தம் is noise. Podadinga, don't make. That's the meaning. The literal meaning is to put. Podaradu is to put, but here she means don't make. Podadinga, sattam podadinga. And why again inga is in this context we could understand that there are a group of boys, meaning so it's plural, you say podadinga, or it could be an elder person, or in a formal context you just come outside and you see a gentleman there who you want to be formal yet he's making noise, so you tell him sattam podadinga, don't make noise please. Sattam podadinga. Can I sit here? இங்கே உட்காரலாமா? இங்கே உட்காரலாமா? நான் இங்கே உட்காரலாமா? நான் இங்கே உட்காரலாமா? You're asking, can I sit there? Or can I sit here? Because it is இங்கே, it is here. நான் இங்கே உட்காரலாமா? Just imagine you want to ask, can I sit there? இங்கே becomes அங்கே. நான் அங்கே உட்காரலாமா? And here it is நான் இங்கே உட்காரலாமா, meaning can I sit here? And imagine that you take away that na, that is I. It is just இங்கே உட்காரலாமா? Is it allowed to sit here? That's you are just asking permission. It could be for you, or you want it for somebody, you want to know on behalf of someone. You simply want to know if this place is okay to sit. In that context, you simply use inge okkaralama. Here can be used for sitting. That's the meaning. Can this place, can someone sit here? That's the meaning. Na inge okkaralama. Can I sit here? Inge okkaralama without na is it okay to sit here? Na inge okkaralama or inge okkaralama. Should I remove my footwear? செப்பலை or செருப்பை கழட்டணுமா? செப்பலை கழட்டணுமா or செருப்பை கழட்டணுமா? கழட்டணுமா is should I remove? கழட்டணுமா? Should it be removed? That's the meaning. செப்பலை is you're talking about sandals. Cheppal is not the general footwear, instead it's more a sandal like thing. Cheppala, or you use it also for flip-flops. Cheppal. Cheppala is you're being more specific. Should I remove the flip-flops? Cheppala kalatanama. Kalatanama is the word you use for removing your clothes or removing your slipper, removing your boots, shoes. Kalatanama. Cheppala கழட்டணுமா? And you can see that a small a in cheppal and another small a in கழட்டணுமா. You can try to listen how I say that. Cheppala, meaning I'm making it a little smaller sound there. Cheppala. கழட்டணுமா? கழட்டணுமா. There's a small inflection. Kara is clear. Tanuma. Ta. Numa. கழட்டணுமா. Cheppala. கழட்டணுமா. And the sound is a question. Should I remove the sandals? Should I leave my sandals outside? செப்பலை வெளியே விடணுமா? செப்பலை வெளியே விடணுமா? செப்பலை is sandals. வெளியே outside. விடணுமா? Should I leave? விடணுமா? Should I leave? Or it's not should I, it's should be left. That's the meaning, because you don't say I, na is not there, it's merely செப்பலை வெளியே விடணுமா? Should the sandals be left outside? Should I leave the sandals outside? Here, sandals, you can also replace that with the word செருப்பு. Serup is generally a flip-flop or a sandal people use, but serup is not used for boots. Serup just only means flip-flop or a sandal. And people also use the word slipper, which means different in English, something that you wear inside the house. Slipper here means a flip-flop. People use the word slipper for flip-flop. Slipper வெளியே விடுங்க, meaning leave the slipper outside. What they mean is leave your flip-flop or leave your footwear outside. It's a general word. Shoes. Shoes is shoes. People say leave the shoes outside. Shoe வெளியே விடணுமா? Should I leave the shoes outside? That's fine. இப்படி போலாமா? Is it okay to go this way? Can I go this way? But the exact literal meaning here for this is it okay to go this way? இப்படி போலாமா? இப்படி, the literal meaning here is like this. இப்படி, but it is okay to say இப்படி போலாமா? Can I go like this? Can I take this way? That's the meaning. இப்படி போலாமா? Can I go? இப்படி போலாமா? But here you don't say, since na is not there, it means you are asking generally, is it okay to go this way? But if you want to be more specific, na ippadi polama, that is where it becomes, can I go this way? But if you take away that na, it just becomes, is it okay to go? Ippadi polama, is it okay to go this way? Do you speak English? உங்களுக்கு English தெரியுமா? உங்களுக்கு English தெரியுமா? You can see the picture there. Probably that man is asking that lady there, do you speak English or do you know English? That's the exact meaning here. Now let's try to break so you properly understand it. உங்களுக்கு is for you. English தெரியுமா? It's in Tamil we say, do you know English? It's just like, do you know to dance? Or can you dance? It's people say, do you know to dance? Do you know English? That's the meaning. Do you know to speak English? That's the order of the word. Do you know English? Which is fine. Do you know English means, can you speak English? Do you speak English? Now, if you try to break the thing, you can better understand the concept. உங்களுக்கு, for you. English, தெரியுமா, you know. தெரியுமா, no. For you, English, do you know? That's how it is. உங்களுக்கு English தெரியுமா? I hope you learned a few words through this video. Please follow this channel for more videos, and I'll be making basic, intermediate, advanced levels so you can, as a learner, have a better understanding of the structure of the language. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, வாழ்த்துக்கள். If you wish to speak Tamil like a native, check my other videos in the playlist on the left. Don't hesitate to ask questions if you have any. If you have any suggestions, please share it so that more people can learn Tamil. Check below in the description for more information. Please subscribe so that I can make more videos. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, வாழ்த்துக்கள்.